So we were having a lot of issues with our old RV steps and they were unstable. It made it really hard getting in and out of our trailer. And especially when we had uneven ground, we knew we had to do something that was a little bit more reliable and sturdy. And that's when we found this triple step. Installation was super easy. All the mounting and installation hardware was included. This actually fits into your RV's existing entry door threshold. But even if you're not a do-it-yourself expert, I tell you what, you can actually handle this in no time. The added stability with this thing is fantastic, and it has an extra wide top step with aluminum treads, and that gives you a really steady platform. Plus, it has adjustable legs that will accommodate any uneven surface, which is a game changer for us because we don't have to worry about wobbly steps and our parents potentially falling off of those steps when they're trying to come in and out of this trailer. When it's time to pack up, storage is a breeze. You just fold the solid step right up into the RV's entry doorway, and then it locks into place. Now, these steps do come in multiple sizes. We went with the triple assembly because there are also double and quad versions. Just make sure to check your measurement guide to get the perfect one for your RV. But overall, if you're looking for something reliable, sturdy, something that is going to give you a really nice step solution for your RV, then I would say this triple step is actually a fantastic choice. It made our trips so much safer and more comfortable. And if you're considering an upgrade, this might be exactly what you're needing.